Hi everyone, it's Donna from Ontario, Canada. I wasn't sure when I was going to get back on. Things have been so crazy. It's so close to Christmas. Anyways, we have a draw winner for the light box. So I have a winner. And before I announce the winner, I just want to say a big thank you to Debbie, the Canadian crocheter. I never can get that right. But anyways, she sent me a wonderful little Christmas gift, and I'm just going to grab it here. It was so nice of her. Thank you, thank you. There's a Christmas card, and I love this card. It's the Moose Wonderful Time of the Year. Isn't that adorable? I love it. So Canadian, Debbie. I love it. It's cute, cute. I put my cards in the Christmas tree, so it's getting pretty full. Anyways, and Debbie, I mean, you did not have to do this, but she sent me some beautiful yarn. 2 rolls of paint box. What's the color of it? It's a beautiful color. I really, really like it. It says 100% acrylic. Is there a color? Made in Turkey. Oh, it's a 5. Oh, it doesn't look like a 5. I guess so. Anything made in Turkey is beautiful. Okay, it's called Fairy Tale. And it's so pretty. I love it. So it's called Paint Box Chunky Pots. And now that I've shown it, I can actually take it out and maybe figure out something to make with it. So pretty. That's so sweet of you, Debbie. You really didn't have to do that. And but I really appreciate it. It made me so excited. Thank you so, so much. That's very, very kind of you. Also, I got a cute card from Shell. Happy holidays. And I really like it because the little penguins are wearing woolen sweaters. So cute. Yeah, Shell Crochet. Thank you, Michelle. So nice. I love your channel. I enjoy your channel. And Debbie, you too. I watch faithfully. So thank you guys for thinking about me. That's so sweet. Okay, so let's get on to the winner. Okay, so I did the random YouTube picker, and I'll show a picture of it right here. So congratulations, Lisa. It's you, Lisa's Crochet. Oh my God, I'm getting a wing out here. Oh boy. Hang on a second. Oh God. Okay, there. Oh boy. I gotta do my hair a little bit, but anyways, forget about that. So Lisa, I looked at your YouTube channel, and your address is there, so you don't need to email me your address. So this will be going out to you probably on Friday. I can't wait to see what you use it for. It's really, really pretty. You're going to like it. It's really nice. And it's a nice size. And I remember, actually, you have a small one. So, yeah. So, I don't know. Maybe you're just going to put a Christmas message or a quote. I don't know. But anyways, I think you can hang it on the wall, too. I think it has little holes that you can put it on the wall. So, congratulations, Lisa. And I watch you all the time, too. So, it's kind of cool that you won. Anyways, thanks everybody for watching. I will be, I'm going to be doing one more. I'll be wearing the same thing because I'm going to do it right after this. Those 20 questions that, the other ones, the second 20 questions that are about crochet, DIY Creations, how do you say her name? Shania? I think that's how you say her name. But anyways, she had wanted everybody to do it. So I printed them out. I'm going to do the 20 questions. And I just have a few things to show. So I might do that depending how long it takes, the 20 questions. And then after that, I'll be watching, but I don't think I'm going to be putting anything back on till I might do something between Christmas and New Year's. I'm not 100% sure. But, oh, I do have to do something between Christmas and New Year's because I just received Rose's box of chocolates, chocolate exchange, and I'm just sending hers out. Actually, I'm going to use her box because, Rose, I have yours ready. I got the last thing in today, but the thing is my box was a little bit too small, so I'm going to take this stuff out and I'm going to use your box because yours is a little bit bigger and it'll be a perfect size. So probably this and Rose's box of chocolate exchange is going to go out this Friday. So in a couple days. And yeah, so it's kind of cool. At some point I'll show what Rose gave me in the chocolate exchange. So it was neat. Okay, so I guess I'll say goodbye now and I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you want to. And have a great day. Okay, bye everybody.